Wanted to do a quick unboxing of what I got today. It's Nicolasa. I am going to be setting this up. Of course, it came in a, weather safe package. I did cut it, but I didn't open it yet. And I don't have my tripod, so bear with me. You can see the box kind of peeking through, right? Voila! Sorry. Okay, let's get inside. This is my Spek that I got from Courtney. Thank you, Courtney. Courtney was really cool, off of the Spek sales page on Facebook, and she allowed me to put this on hold. So I paid, oh my God, sorry. Speechless. I paid overtime. Wow. Velvety soft. This is the Croco in Stardust from Spek. It is an A5 manager. I'm going to be setting this baby up. It smells so good. 25mm rings. 6 credit card slots at the top. A slip pocket with another 2 like pockets here. A pocket there. She did not opt for the back pocket, which I'm okay with because it being so big, I probably wouldn't have wanted that. Another slip pocket here, and the zipper part with the pull that protects the zipper, or the little tab that protects the zipper. Again, very nice. People say they love this because of the texture, variation in the color. It's fake Croco, but it looks so real because of the, treatment. Small crocks on the binder part, bigger towards the center, and then continuous throughout the snap right there. All right, that's my semi-reveal because I'm so excited I couldn't wait. I'm going to set it up and I'll be back to show you how I've got this pretty little thing set up for work. Have a great day.